Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me for this video. If you're already one of my peoples and you're already subscribed, then welcome back. And if this is your first time hanging with us or watching one of my videos, or you just haven't subscribed yet, hello, my name is Tyler with an O, and we're gonna get right into this video. Right off the back, I'm just gonna say excuse me now because I do have a piece of gum in my mouth, and quite frankly, I don't feel like taking it out, so I will be chewing gum while we do this. It's a small piece, but she's still there, so I'm acknowledging it now. As you read at the title of this video, I'm going to be trying out new foundation today. This doesn't happen often, so this is a remarkable moment. I'm very much the type where if I found one foundation that I like, then I'm gonna stick to it and I'm gonna repurchase it. It should feel special that you're witnessing this here today. As you read in the title, I'm gonna be trying the Maybelline SuperStay foundation. I already know I'm late to the party. This has been all over the YT. Everybody and their mama use it and they all love it, and that's the only reason that I'm trying it today, is because I'm sick and tired of hearing how good it is for a drugstore foundation, and I have yet to try it. I rock with the Maybelline Fit Me, and this has been my tried and true. 9 times out of 10, I'm rocking this. This has never given me any issues. This is like my favorite. When I tell y'all that me and this foundation go back, hold on. I don't think y'all understand. Me and Maybelline Fit Me, okay, I got it in every color. If I'm in my summer color, my winter color, my contour color, my highlight color, my regular color, I got them, okay? This is my foundation. I have the same shade in the matte poreless as I do in the dewy smooth. With that being said, I am in the shade 330, so with purchasing this new foundation, I went ahead and picked that up as well. So it's the same shade, hopefully. And I'm also gonna be trying out another concealer as well for the first time. I swear and live by NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. However, you know, she a little expensive, so I don't always use that. I do use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I don't know if it has a specific name, but this is in the shade 30 or Honey. I'm gonna be trying out the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is in the shade Golden. I've been wanting to get my hands on this. My friend Alima uses it, and I love the applicator on it. It looks like it just glides on so easy and nice. And anyways, I feel like I'm talking too much, so yeah. With that being said, my brows are already on. I'm just gonna kind of do my makeup as I would normally do, and then we're gonna see how this stuff works out. Okay, so one thing I always do before I do my makeup is just take some setting spray. This is the Milani Make It Last, and I just spray my face before I put my makeup on. And this is a brand new bottle. Oh, well, y'all saw me break the seal. It's new, y'all know it's new. I ain't never, oh, I forgot it has a pump. Yes. Y'all saw that genuine happiness. Maybe I have to give it some little, get the air out. Oop, okay. All right. Okay, the shade looks good actually. The way I like to apply my foundation, I would get like a, I guess you can call it a concealer brush, and I like to paint it on first. Oh yeah, oh wow. Wow, look at that coverage, y'all. Oh my god, this 1.5 pumps might be the move. Oh, let me take some of this and put it up here. Oh my god, look at the coverage. You know what? I'm so sorry. I didn't even tell you what this well, because I assume you already know because you've seen this foundation a million times, most likely. But it says full coverage for, oh. It's a full coverage foundation, 24 hours of wear, seamless matte finish, breathable, comfortable, fade, transfer resistant. Okay, oil free, doesn't clog pores. Sounds good to me. The only thing I am concerned about is that it is a matte finish, and y'all know I am extremely dry faced, so hopefully this doesn't dry me out. But I have my dampened beauty blender here and start to blend this in. This definitely is more matte than the dewy smooth. I am noticing that. Like usually when I'm blending my foundation, I still see like a shine on my face as I'm blending it in. But not this one. Oh, she will not let me shine today. Look at that. You guys see how matte it is? There's absolutely no, it's almost like, look at my skin's natural reflection and then look at the reflection of the foundation. None. And I think actually I'm gonna take just like maybe a half a pump more. Just a little more. And cover up some areas that I didn't really apply much to. The mustache, and I want some more on my nose. I feel like testing out new foundation just calls for an eyeshadow tutorial. I don't know, what do you guys think? Would you want to see the eye look that I'm gonna do with this? Because I was just gonna put the foundation on, go off camera, finish the face, add an eye and everything, and then just come back and tell y'all, you know, how I felt about it. But if you want to see a makeup tutorial, I give you a makeup tutorial now. Alright, so I got my Age Rewind concealer. Gonna go ahead and just open her. Am I doing this right? Is it gonna feel different when it starts to, is it? I feel like I'm seeing a little something coming in there. Oh, okay. There she goes. Okay, all right. Oh, she's here. She has arrived. Oh, wow, yeah. This shade is very bright. I think I may have put too much, but let go and let God. I live for this applicator. Oh my God, it makes it so easy. Boop. Yeah, Tyler, you put on a lot of concealer. Now, I don't know if this concealer claims to be a matte concealer or what kind of finish it's giving, but I definitely feel like it's mattifying. And I don't know if that is from the foundation that's making it matte or if this is also a matte concealer. But it blends out well with the Beauty Blender. I don't have any complaints about that. Oh, look how bright I am, y'all. Wow. Wow, that is some coverage. I mean, again, we saw that I did probably use a little bit too much. I'm not even gonna say too much. I just used a little bit more than I'm comfortable with, but it doesn't necessarily look bad. However, it is kind of overpowering this foundation. But as far as like the actual concealer and the foundation, again, this concealer is looking really matte. But I'm gonna use my favorite and my usual powder, and that's gonna be the MAC and Patrick Star powder. But I wonder how it's gonna perform with such a matte face. Y'all, cause I am matte. I'm not even gonna front. Like I am matte right now. And I probably should be using a little less powder than I normally would, but because I'm testing out this foundation, I do want to do everything how I normally would do it and see what the end result is gonna look like. This coverage though is very nice. I cannot tell a lie. This might be in my head, but I feel like my contour isn't blending out as easily as it used to. Like, I'm still getting this harsh line right here. And normally I can just blend that out, but I'm blending and blending and you see the shit ain't going nowhere. Alright, so the face is contoured, okay? I'm gonna go in and hit this nose real quick. See, I just draw the line down and then I start to blend it out. You see that? Look at side A before, side B after. I did not come on here to give y'all a tutorial on how to snatch your nose, okay? But look at her. Yeah, man, I don't know. I am so matte right now, like uncomfortably matte. Not like physically uncomfortable, but I'm just out of my comfort zone because I've gotten so used to being like dewy with my foundation. And this foundation, I don't feel like any inch of oil is about to come through, like not even a drop. If you are oily, girl, this just might be the foundation for you because y'all don't see no shine on me. I'm definitely gonna have to put on some highlighter because girl. All right, and I'm just gonna give this a once over with some makeup spray. Just to kind of see if it all starts to like melt together. But I don't dislike this product. I just feel like it's definitely out of my comfort zone. I don't know that this is something that I'd want to put on and then go out in public and just be comfortable. I definitely feel like because it's so matte, it kind of looks unnatural and it definitely feels like I'm wearing makeup. Like, I mean, obviously it's gonna feel like I'm wearing makeup, but it just feels like, I don't know, sometimes with my dewier formula, I can put it on and get away with like, oh wow, you have such great skin, or oh wow, your color is so even. But this is just like, oh wow, you have on a lot of foundation, like that is, and I guess that just comes with full coverage, so let me just say that. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look with some eyes and lips and some highlighter for this matte ass, shineless ass face. And I'll be right back to let you guys see how it went. Alright guys, so this is the finished look with the foundation in place. Let me just tell you, this foundation, I even had to, now this is how you know that this shit was matte, okay? I went ahead and highlighted my nose and my forehead because there was just no shine on this face and I didn't know what to do. Like, I was so out of my element. Again, I do have dry skin, but because I have dry skin, I use a more dewy foundation, so I'm used to having a little bit of natural skin-like shine and finish on my face when I'm done with my makeup, especially after I set it with, you know, my setting spray and it all just like melts together. Then it looks a lot more skin-like. But this right here, oh, this is another level. This is definitely, I would say definitely full coverage. And I only used a little bit. I mean, I used like what, 1.5, maybe 2 pumps, where I know some people be like 1, 2, 3, and they like plaster their shit on. But I do have one complaint so far. Around my nose, like in the crease of my nose, I did start to get like a little bit of the makeup like bunching up there. So I just like went over with my beauty blender and kind of dabbed it out. I know sometimes with some foundations and my forehead lines, especially like doing my eyeshadow and doing my eyebrows and me raising my head, it'll get in those creases in my forehead, but I don't really see too much of that going on. But yeah, I mean, I like it. It's cute or whatever. I want to see, you know, it does say it's transfer proof. Let me just, oh my God. Oh my God, I know you lying. That's more than I could do with most of these foundations, let me tell you. But yeah, I hope you found this demonstration entertaining or informative or both. Definitely go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed watching, and comment down below and let me know how you feel. More products that you want me to test out, probably. I don't know, you know, go ahead, comment down below. And more importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of this TylorWithAnO goodness. And I will catch you all on my next video. Peace.